Hey there, baking enthusiasts and lemon lovers. Today we are diving into a recipe that's bursting with sunshine and zesty goodness lemon cookies. We will be whipping up a batch from scratch, sharing tips and tricks along the way, and of course, devouring the delicious results. So grab your aprons, preheat your ovens, and let's get baking. The following ingredients you will need for this recipe: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 sticks unsalted butter, softened, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. To add powdered sugar, lemon juice, and milk for adjusting consistency. This is optional. Step 1. In a large bowl, beat together the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Add in the lemon zest, allowing the citrusy aroma to fill your kitchen. Crack an egg and beat it until well combined. We are aiming for cookies that are extra yolky and rich. Gradually add the dry ingredients, mix until just incorporated. It's important not to overmix. We want these cookies to have a soft and chewy texture. To enhance the flavor, introduce a tablespoon of lemon juice for an extra pucker-up punch. Step 2. To begin, take hold of your reliable cookie scoop and carefully distribute the dough onto a baking sheet that has been lined with parchment paper. For those in the mood for a touch of elegance, consider gently flattering the dough balls with a fork, thereby crafting a delightful crisscross pattern. Step 3. Pop those trays into a preheated oven at 350°F or 170°C for 10 to 12 minutes. Watch them transform from pale to golden, like little suns getting their tan on. Once out of the oven, let the cookies cool on a wire rack. Pro tip: want them chewier? Reduce the baking time by a minute or 2. Step 4. Mix powdered sugar with lemon juice and a touch of milk until you have a smooth, pour-able glaze. It's like a little lemon waterfall waiting to happen. Pro tip: feeling fancy? Dip the cooled cookies in melted white chocolate for an extra decadent treat. Finally, we make our batch of homemade lemon cookies that are bursting with flavor and sunshine. Thanks for joining me on this baking adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more baking fun, and leave a comment below letting me know how your lemon cookies turned out.